Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, a 4-star Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, it's Monday, February the 13th, 2023. We have already done one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 puzzles are left: the binary, the tectonic, and this one you are interested. 4 stars Sudoku. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know, but I'm sure it's number 5955. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 1 less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 1s. We have here 3 2s, 1 3, 2 4s, 3 5s, 3 6s, 2 7s, 4 8s. Alright, and 3 9s. So the 8s are in majority. Can I start with 8? That's the question. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. Alright, and now let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 in this big square. So no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the second row, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square should be here. 4, 4, okay. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4. 7. Alright, alright. 1, 1. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. We have a pair, 5 and a 9 in this column, 5 and a 9 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 5 and a 9, 5 and a 9. 2, 2. We have a 2 in this row. Oh, wait. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the first column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the third column, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Okay, 7. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column, so the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, 5, 5. Well, 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 well. Come on, come on. 2, 3, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Well, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the last column, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 2 in the last column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 2, could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row. So no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. One in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only places left for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, 1 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 7. And look, we have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. Here 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 3 and the 7 are left. 3 and the 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Alright. 1, 1, 1, 1. 3, need a 3 here. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row below. The only two places left for the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 3, 1, 7. 7. 2, 5. 5 in the third row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in the middle row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in the middle row should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes, eliminated 2. Now we have a 2 here in this row, so no 2 there, 2 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. We have a 2 in this column, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 here in the last row. So no 2 there, 2 should be there. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. One box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 2. Yeah. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 1, 1, 1, 1. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 9. 2 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 missing number. Oh, 9 and 5. We have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, the 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and the 6, 1 and 6. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. For the 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. So now we have 1 digit left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row, the third row for number 1. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in the second column. No 1 there, 1 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finishing 14 minutes. Wow, I'm surprised. 14 minutes with the 4 stars. No, not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars. It's a 1 star, and we solve it again. We solve it again in 15 minutes. Cannot believe this. So, although it has 1 digit less than the previous Sudoku, yeah, a lot of hidden numbers. This one, I solve it within 15 minutes, faster than 15 minutes. So, yeah, let me give this a 1 star, and I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.